Hey everybody. I was gonna say this is gonna be fast and painless, but this is one of those boxes with only a few cards that cost out the wazoo, so it could actually be fast and very painful if I don't get one of, well, this one, yeah, this one, not necessarily that one, I could probably live without. Particularly this one. Yeah, him, Trae Young, Kevin Knox wouldn't be bad. Who's the other one? I guess Ayton. I guess he is the other one. Anyways, 2 autographs, 1 mem. This is 1819 Cornerstones basketball hobby box, of course. There is no retail version of this. There are a total of 6 cards in the box. The ultra rare downtown insert delivers a dazzling look at some of the game's elite. There's free digital packs if anybody wants them. And there are odds if anybody wants them. Anything else to see on here? Look for on-card autographs and cornerstones, rookie cornerstones, and more. Alright, good enough. Let's do this. See who we have in our 6 whopping cards. There's our little pack. I really should leave this stuff for the breakers. I should know better by now. Got to do better in the future. Alright. Guess we'll just do it like this. However they fall, they fall. Who is this? Malcolm Brogdon, number 2/139. Unbreakable, Zach LaVine. And this is not numbered. It's a good looking card. It feels like it's like made of plastic or metal or something. Troy Brown Jr. rookie to 199. Autograph quad material rookie. Mark Jackson Foundations jersey card. Al Horford Elemental Onyx. 1 of 1. What? I really like this card. I like Al Horford a lot. A 1 of 1 autograph of his is really cool. Yeah, that's sweet. Huh, pretty good. And the last card is DeAndre Jordan, and this is a blue parallel numbered 249. That's pretty cool. A 1 of 1 Al Horford. What do you know? I mean, I guess obviously a 1 of 1 rookie might be a hotter thing right now, but overall, in the grand scheme of things, I say there's the little 1 of 1 right there. This is cool. Let me try not to drop it. And there's where it says Onyx up in the corner. So there we have it. Mark Jackson, just a plain little jersey. Rookie quad. Troy Brown Jr. That's a good looking card. It's sweet. It looks very much like last year's design though. This thing feels weird and it's bowed. So it's like it's made of, yeah, it feels like it's made of a thick plastic or something. Because that's why it's called Unbreakables, because it is. And then the Brogdon to 139. I guess this is the base card, I guess. Alright, that's it. That's Cornerstones. Not too bad. It's so funny, I say that all the time. It's going to be like great or bad, and then it ends up being somewhere in between, so I think I need to stop saying that. Anyways, thanks for watching. Everybody take care. I'll be back with some more new stuff soon.